It is the first Friday with fewer restrictions in Kansas City. As of today, masks are no longer required outdoors for businesses in both Kansas City and Jackson County. KMBC 9's Jackson Kurtz spoke to one employee of a popular rooftop bar that has reopened as restrictions are lifted.
What's the biggest thing you're looking forward to now?
Frozen margaritas.
It's a frozen speciality at the Crossroads Hotel's Percheron Rooftop Bar that's ready to be served on a hot sunny afternoon just as COVID restrictions are being relaxed.
Thankfully, our timing is almost perfect. I'm most excited to be outside, to be around people, to start to see the vaccines do their thing and start to see people just come back out.
For outdoor spots in Kansas City and Jackson County like the Percheron, masks are no longer required. Across the county, social distancing is no longer required at businesses, but is still recommended wherever possible.
We're still going to take advantage of the space we have. We have a really large patio up here. We're still going to allow guests to spread out, stay socially distanced.
It's a much different look than a year ago at this time during the pandemic, but some restaurants are now optimistic things are getting better day by day.
Hopefully the news just keeps getting better and better and we're able to, get back to life as we knew it before. Hopefully this summer that's what's going to happen.
And staff here will continue to wear masks indoors and outdoors here to keep everyone safe so Kansas Cityans can enjoy views like this one across the city. In Kansas City tonight, Jackson Kurtz, KMBC 9 News.
In Jackson County, small gatherings of fully vaccinated people are allowed, but large gatherings are still discouraged. Wyandotte County has updated its mask mandates. It follows the same rules as Kansas City and Platte County. No masks outside, but still inside when social distancing is an issue. North Kansas City schools will no longer require masks outdoors. They will still be required inside schools and on school buses. DeSoto schools will continue to require masks for the remainder of the school year. The Shawnee Mission School District also plans to keep its current protocols in place. That means masks and social distancing will remain mandatory. Tonight, 54 new cases of COVID-19 reported in Kansas City, Missouri. The daily average of new hospitalizations is up to 63 across our 9-county area. And COVID-19 hospitalizations have more than doubled at some local health systems. KMBC 9's Brian Johnson reports doctors say they are seeing younger patients who have not been vaccinated.
In 2 weeks, COVID-19 hospitalizations are up 135% at St. Luke's Health System. They're treating 40 patients. This comes as fewer counties require masks indoors.
I would definitely encourage people to still follow CDC guidelines.
The University of Kansas Health System also has more patients, and for the first time in months, they've had to open a second COVID-19 ICU.
Nobody wants to wear a mask. We have not wanted to wear a mask, but the virus does not care about that.
Doctors say hospitalized patients tend to be unvaccinated individuals ages 30 to 50 years old. They hope everyone gets the COVID-19 vaccine.
It's not only for our individual protection, but it's for the protection of people around us in our community. And that should give people a sense of pride and charity to do those things.
That's your best layer of defense, not only to protect yourself, but to protect your loved ones, the other household members and people you're around, and then the larger community as well.
School districts on both sides of the state line are reporting higher case numbers and quarantines.
Those are the times where we're at risk of transmission now, because we know that those pillars of infection prevention and control, mask wearing, right, physical distancing, those things remain true today, just like they were 3 months ago, 6 months ago, a year ago.
Dr. Wild says the trend is concerning and recommends wearing a mask inside and keep distancing. Brian Johnson, KMBC 9 News.
St. Luke's and other hospitals and clinics are now allow people to get the COVID-19 vaccine without an appointment. People who want to reserve a time still can. Some breakthrough COVID cases are appearing in our area. That's when the virus breaks through the vaccine's defenses, infecting someone who's been fully vaccinated. The University of Kansas Medical System says it has one such case. Kansas City, Missouri's health department says it may have 5. The Missouri Health Department says they count 14.
So we know that breakthrough infections will occur for one reason or another. I don't know exactly why. It comes down to that individual.
Breakthrough cases are rare. Less than 10,000 100,000 of the 100 million Americans that are fully vaccinated. Tonight, more than 130,000 people in Kansas City, Missouri are completely vaccinated. That's more than 26% of the population. More than 35% have received the first dose. Kansas City, Missouri will hold a vaccination event at Northeast High School tomorrow. It's from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Walmart pharmacists will give the vaccine to 300 Kansas Cityans. They will accept walk-ins, but you can reserve a spot by calling the number on your screen and select option 5.